Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. So this is January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages and what's coming for you, Cancer. Under the deck, the devil. I think the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. So there is some sneaky energy. Maybe your person is very dominative. Maybe your person is over obsessed with you. Yeah. That's why I think you decided to move on. Yeah, even though it is difficult for you, what I'm getting here, Cancer. In recent past, let's see your reading. In recent past, the World, Knight of Pentacles and Four of Wands. You both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Yeah, someone is approached you for reconciliation or someone is coming in your life in recent past. They may be very sincere at starting. Knight of Pentacles. I think everything is fine in recent past, looking good. But what going right now is Two of Cups, Eight of Cups and Four of Pentacles. I think you are holding back. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Take what is in it and leave the rest, okay? Two of Cups. Yeah, you love this person so much. I think there is mutual love. But something has happened. You walked away. You are holding back. What I'm seeing here. Definitely you are holding back. Because Eight of Cups with Four of Pentacles. You walked away. But you love this person. And in near future, Nine of Swords, Justice and Six of Swords. Some communication is coming. Yeah, you cut them off. You decided to move on, but you are unable to forget them. Yeah, you are thinking about them day and night, especially in night times. You are thinking them a lot. You are unable to sleep because when you are lonely, you are thinking about them a lot. What I'm seeing here. But you overcome that energy, then you stand by your power and you stand by your power, then you decided to move on and you are moving on. See this Six of Swords. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Why you are moving on? Because Two of Cups is here. I think for some it could be third party situation also. Even though you love your person, but you don't take any third party because everybody deserves best. Everybody deserves love. Yeah. You have emotions for your person, you have love for your person, but you have to move on. What I'm saying. Yeah. You are not happy, but you are moving on. The person involved in this connection could be Lord of Air Energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I think for some the same cycles are going repeating between you and your person again and again. The World card is here. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. First we will see your person current feelings. Cancer. I want one more card. Clarification. Clarification cards. Because under the deck, Seven of Swords. Yeah, because they may be lied to you. They may be played games with you. They may be in and out of your life. They may be non-committal. It could be any reason you decided to move on because there is some sneaky energy, guys. Seven of Swords is a very sneaky energy. That's why you are moving on. Yeah, and I think you both are very strong couple because King of Wands and Queen of Wands is here. Yeah, you both are very powerful couple. And Seven of Cups, maybe your person have options. Yeah, and your person may be very successful, good looking. They are very successful person. Already they are very successful. Maybe they have other options. That's why you are moving on. And Two of Swords, definitely they are not taking any decision. And Four of Wands, yeah, even though they also have feelings for you, but they are not taking any decision. That's why you are moving on, what I'm seeing here. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. I think your person may be indecisive. Maybe they are keeping their options open. That's why you are moving on. That's why you cut them off. Yeah, your person is very abundant, very rich, and very... Yeah, Five of Swords again under the deck. Ace of Swords, communication. Definitely some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Yeah, Nine of Pentacles, your person is very abundant, rich, and they are successful. And Queen of Cups, yeah, they also have emotions for you, but they are not taking any decision. Maybe they are keeping their options open, what I'm getting here. And Five of Swords, definitely they backstabbed you. There are some disturbances, misunderstandings between you and your person, Cancer. Yeah. I think they are not ready for any action. I am not seeing any action cards here. Yeah, they have emotions if you ask them. Yeah, do you have emotions for me? Yes, I do. But they are not taking any action, what I am seeing here. Because they have options. That's why you are moving on. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. It could be any sign, but I am saying according to the cards here. It could be any sign, okay? So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future and outcome. Yeah, separation. You both are in separation right now. Five of Cups. And Nine of Wands, I think your person is not responsible. They are irresponsible person, and Nine of Wands, they may be guarded. When you want them, they are not available to you. When you want them emotionally, they are not available. Maybe that is the reason, also one of the reason that you decided to move on. Yeah, you stand by your power, but they're coming back. King of Cups, yeah, I think for some there will be another person. New person may be coming towards you. For some, it is your past person may be coming back to you. I think it is also not action card. King of Cups, yeah, they have emotions for you. King of Cups and Queen of Cups, I think you both have emotions. But your person not taking any action to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, I think I'm not seeing... Your person is not responsible, what I am getting here. Yeah. There is no equal give and take. That's why you stand by your power. You decided to move on, even though you have strong emotions for your person, what I am getting again and again. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Cancer. Yeah, Queen of Swords, Ten of Swords, Two of Pentacles, Page of Wands, some communication. Your person maybe want to send some message. Two of Pentacles, still you are juggling, or your person may be indecisive still. Yeah, they are indecisive. Ten of Swords, you decided to end this relationship with your person because maybe they are putting in your third party situation. Yeah, you cut them off and stand by your power because you deserve best, Cancer. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. Lot of water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Queen of Pentacles, Princess of Wands, Eight of Wands, and Chariot. I think they want to take things to next level, but it is very slow moving energy. Some communication you can expect from your person. Yeah, they may be spying on you on social media. Queen of Pentacles, now they want to share their feelings. For some very few it is. Yeah, they want to take this relationship to next level, but I think it will take some time because I am not seeing any action cards here. Maybe once the relationship is ended, then they will realize you both. Maybe they will come back. Okay, not for all, only for some. If your person is very genuine, then Princess of Wands, yeah, they may be spying on you. They want to send some message, but communication, definitely there will be some communication between you and your person. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Meditate and contemplate. Yeah, if you are having, yeah, it's 9 of Swords energy, definitely you are in anxiety, depression, you are thinking about your person a lot. If you want to forget or you want to overcome that pain, please meditate. Okay, meditation is the key for anything. If you want to suppress your thoughts, if you want to overcome your trauma or thoughts, anxiety, please do meditate. So this is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.